हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स, फ्री स्टीम गेम्स and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are going to show you how you can get custom Discord link without boosts or being a Discord partner. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to go to the link discord.io and then log in via Discord. Checking your browser before accessing. One more step, please complete yes, you are a human. And now we are gonna verify by clicking on bots. Then click on next and search for more bots and then click on check. So after the verification, this page will open up and then you'll have to click on authorize. And here you can see discord.io custom allies and permanent invite. At custom allies, I'm gonna write Pbunified, which is my whatever I want it to be. And then you'll have to go to your Discord server. Go to the server and then click on invite people. And then click on edit invite link. After clicking on edit invite link, go to expire after scroll down menu and select never. And same goes for maximum number of uses and select no limit. And then click on generate a new link. And now you can copy your link from here. Now go back to the browser and paste the copied link into the permanent invite section. And then click on personalize. And now as you can see, your custom Discord link has been set up without boosts or without being Discord partner. And from here you can copy the link to your clipboard and paste it into the browser, and then you will be redirected to your Discord server. And the link is permanent and can be used infinite times. And with this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?